Okay, in this lecture we're going to overview how we can copy, cut and paste data within Microsoft Excel. Now this is one of the most vital skills in Excel for beginners to learn and can really make you much more productive in your work. Now there are several ways to do it. You can use the keyboard, the mouse menu or the Excel ribbon. Now just to define these terms for those of you who may not be familiar with these terms, copy basically means you copy a cell or a range of cells or an Excel object, which could be a table or a chart, for example. Cut means that you intend to move whatever you've selected over to another location. So the difference between cut and copy is when you copy something over, the original source will remain. With cut, the original source gets shifted over. And paste is the actual operation of pasting the data onto a cell or a selected group of cells. Okay, now the actual task of copying and cutting data is very easy. Where it gets more interesting are the different types of paste options that you can do with your data. So, for example, our first paste option, which is really common, is pasting the data as is. So this is where you copy everything over to your selected cell or cells, and that would include the formatting, the values, and the formulas. The second option is paste as values. So this will copy only the values over and disregard any formula that you've got which will get you that value, and the formatting of the source cell or cells. Although with the formatting you can enable it if you want. The third option, paste as picture. So this is where you can paste your data as a picture so that it can't be edited or altered or tampered with, as you could do when you've pasted your data over as normal Excel text, for example. Number 4, paste as formula. So this is similar to paste as values, except instead of copying the value over, it copies the formula over and disregards the formatting. Number 5, paste transpose. Now this is really cool. This basically enables you to take data which is structured in a column way and paste it as data structured in a row way and vice versa. Number 6, paste link. Now this is quite handy in terms of you can actually create a link to your original source data so that when the source data changes, your cell which contains the link will automatically update. Okay, so let's do an example each in the next lecture to show you how these operations work.